Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to evaluate whether the Mission Lane credit card is a smart pick for building or rebuilding credit by walking you through its no deposit and secured access that makes it easier to qualify even with limited credit. Free tools like a mobile app with account management and credit score monitoring and its Visa network acceptance. Balance against significant drawbacks such as stiff variable APRs around 27% to 34%, possible annual fees up to $59, or none for others depending on profile. No rewards program at all, a small starting credit limit, often around $300, that requires tight utilization management and red flags from real users calling out extra unexpected charges or slow customer service. So if you need a straightforward unsecured card without a security deposit and can pay in full each month, it may help your credit. But if you qualify for fair credit, you might get more value elsewhere. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.